Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. Friends, today we are going to discuss about NCERT Maths Class 6 Chapter 7 Fractions Exercise 7.4 question number 1. So friends, without any further ado, let's get started. So this question says, write shaded portion as fraction, arrange them in ascending and descending order using the correct sign. So as you can see, the three signs given to us are smaller than, equals to and greater than between the fractions. So what we have to see here, as you can see, there are 4 circles made and they are divided into the several parts, and some parts out of the parts are shaded, and we have to write their fraction, and then we have to arrange them in ascending and descending order using the 3 symbols which we have, the greater than, equals to and smaller than 1. So first let us start writing their fractions first. So as you can see, first one here, first figure, as you can see, how many parts are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So in the denominator we will do 8 and 3 parts are shaded. So this becomes 3 by 8. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 parts are shaded. So this becomes 6 upon 8. Okay. Now over here in this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, see the shaded portion over here. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 by 8. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts in here. And how many parts are shaded? 1. So this becomes 1 upon 8. Now we have to write them in ascending and descending order. So first let us write them in ascending order only. Ascending order. So what is going to be the ascending order? As we know, whenever you can see here, all the fractions are like fractions, and when that happens, we will see which fractions are smaller and greater by their numerator. So all the fractions are having 8 in the denominator. That means they are like fractions, and so we need to see their numerators to see which fraction is greater and which fraction is smaller. So as you can see over here, 1 upon 8 is the smallest fraction. Now friends, the second fraction here we will write will be always greater than our first fraction. So which symbol will we use? As we know, this one. Okay, now see, 1 upon 8 we have used, so 3 upon 8, 6 upon 8 and 4 upon 8. Of course, 3 upon 8 will be the next fraction. Same way, say this sign again. Now 6 upon 8, 4 upon 8, 4 upon 8, and then in the last what we have here is 6 upon 8. So as you can see, we have written the ascending order, 1 upon 8 and 3 upon 8, then 4 upon 8, then 6 upon 8. Now we will start writing the descending order. Now as you can see, in the descending order it is just the opposite. So that means first we will write the greatest fraction, and in last will be the smallest fraction. So over here again we will see them by their numerators. So 6 upon 8 is the greatest one. Now the next fraction after 6 upon 8 which we will write will be always smaller than 6 upon 8. So that means which sign we will make? This one here. Alright, now see which one will come here. 3 upon 8, 4 upon 8, 1 upon 8. Of course 4 upon 8 is the next one. Okay, now again this sign here, then we will get 3 upon 8, and then the smallest one is 1 upon 8. So as you can see here, we have written the descending order even, 6 upon 8, 4 upon 8, 3 upon 8 and 1 upon 8, And friends, this is the A part of this question. Now let us solve the B part. Now friends, let us see the B part. So over here same figures are given to us. There are 4 figures, and again we have to write the fraction of the shaded portion and then write the fractions in ascending and descending order. So first figure here, first we need to know how many parts it is divided into. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Friends, over here how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 upon 9. Over here, see the total number of parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 will be going. And how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this becomes 4 upon 9. Alright, now next figure here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many parts are shaded? 1, 2 and 3. That is 3 upon 9. Alright, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 parts are shaded. That is 6 upon 9. Alright, this is 6 upon 9. Now as you can see here, we have written the fractions. First we will start writing their orders. So first order here we will start writing is ascending order. So right there like this. Alright, and let us see. So all the fractions here have the same denominator, which is 9. That means we will compare them by their numerators. So in ascending we start from the smallest fraction, which is 3 upon 9 here. Then 3 upon 9, and then this sign here. Now we have 4 upon 9 here, which is greater than 3 upon 9, and then we have 6 upon 9, which is greater than 4 upon 9. Then we have the last one, 8 upon 9, which is greater than 6 upon 9. Okay, so as you can see here, we have written the ascending order. Now we will start on writing the descending order. So descending order here, let us see what will be the descending order. So first we will start from the greatest fraction and end it at the smallest one. So over here, which is the greatest? 8 upon 9. And remember, we will always see them by the numerator when they are having the same denominator. We will always compare them by the numerator only. Now over here we will put this sign. So now next fraction will be smaller than 8 upon 9, which is 6 upon 9. Then next one here. What we will get here will be, as you can see, 4 upon 9. And then the last fraction we have is 3 upon 9 here. Okay. So as you can see here, we have solved the B part. Now let us solve the C part. Now friends, let us see the C part. So this is show 2 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 8 upon 6 and 6 upon 6 on the number line. Put appropriate signs between the fractions given. So over here, as you can see, there are 4 fractions given to us, and first we have to write them, plot them on the number line, and then the second one here is this, in which we have to write the correct sign, the greater than, equal to or less than sign. Now as you can see here, first we need to see between which 2 whole numbers do these fractions lie. So for this, simply we will take one fraction. We have 2 upon 6, divide its numerator by the denominator to see what will we get. 0 here, 0 here even. Alright, then which one over here we will see? So we will get 2 here, then 1 0, then 1 0 here, and then 20 is here, minus 18, which is going to give us 2, and minus 18 will be 3 times, so this is 0.3 and it continues so on. So this is 0.3 which is greater than 0. Now we will see the second one even over here. Now as you can see over here, if we take any fraction here, let us say 8 upon 6. So simply see what will we get when we will divide this. So as you can see 8 here, we will subtract 6 from this. So 6 goes 1 times, 2 will be left over, we will increase 1 0. Then this point here and 20 is here. So 18 here minus 18. So that is 2. And 18 goes 3 times. So here we are getting 1/3 which is greater than 1 wholes, but it is smaller than 2 wholes. So as you can see, if we will start writing the fractions from 0 and if we will make the number line till 2 whole numbers, then we will be able to label these fractions on the number line, and we will divide each of the whole number in 6 parts cause the denominator is 6. Okay, so quickly let's make a number line ASAP. So here even 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and then 12. Okay, now as you can see over here, we have divided this into 2. So first whole number, as you can see, we will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here we have 1 whole and in the last we will have 2. So as you can see, each one is divided into 6 parts. Now simply start labeling. 2/6 we have here. As you can see, we will not label all the fractions to make this process short. We will label just the fractions here. So 1/6 and 2/6 will be right here. So 2/6. Alright. Now next one is 4/6. So as we know, 1/6, 2/6, 3/6 and 4/6 over here. So like this. Okay. Now next one is 8/6. So where we will find this? As we know, 4/6 here, then 5/6, 6/6, 7/6 and 8/6 here. 8/6. Next is 6/6. So 6/6 can also be written as 1 wholes only. Simply then on the 1 whole here we will write 6/6. As you can see, we have written all the fractions given to us on this number line. Now second one here is this problem. Over here this is trying to say we have to put the appropriate signs greater than, equal to or less than in between these two fractions. That is just comparison of fractions. So firstly you need to know whenever we are comparing the fractions are same. So over here if the denominator of the two fractions are same, we will see them by the numerator, and if they are not, we will make the numerator equal. We will study that later, but first solve this. So the denominators are equal in 5/6, 2/6. So which is greater, 5/6 or 2/6? Obviously 5/6 will be greater because 5 is greater than 2. Next one, say 3/6 and 0. Now it is very clear that 0 is the smallest one. Any fraction than 0 will be greater than 0. So simply we can write this one here, that is 3/6 is greater than 0. 1/6, 6/6. Denominators are same, compare the numerators 1 and 6, 6 is greater. Simply we will put this fraction. 8/6, 5/6, again denominators are same, compare the numerators 8 and 5, 8 is greater. That means 8/6 will be greater than 5/6. And friends, that's all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, Do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.